Okay, we're gonna go turn our oven on to 400, which will kick it back to 375 on my convection. 4 beautiful eggs in the pot, a teaspoon of baking powder, splash of vanilla, splash of lemon. I've got coconut nectar here. That looks like it might be 1/3 of a cup. So I'm gonna try to get that in there. 1/3 of a teaspoon of pink salt, several teaspoons of Ceylon cinnamon. If you do 3, you're up to a tablespoon, so I'll go ahead and do a tablespoon. Got a 1/2 cup there. Get some olive oil in here. It's looking about like a 1/4 cup. I might try to find some more. All right, we'll get close to a 1/2 cup here of the olive oil. And dump it, Rosie. And we'll do 2 of those of soy milk. Good. 1/2 cup.
No, let's do 2.
2 1/2 cups. Why don't you beat that up? Miss Rosie is getting our heart trays ready, muffin tins, and I've got 2 cups of sprouted oats here, and I'm gonna blitz them. Just till it's barely blitzed, see how it's still a bit rough. Cups of sprouted oats are going in. Go ahead. All right, that was like a heaping 1/3. That's good, Rosie. Let's stir it up.
Yeah.
Right now that's a thin batter for muffins, but because it has oats in it, it's gonna thick. So let's just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Batter is a bit thin, Rosie, but we're gonna see if it comes out a bit like a cupcake rather than muffiny. All right, so let's just try that. Let's dump these blueberries in.
All of them.
Well, let's see. Yeah, it's probably about a cup, if even. Might need more, actually. They're in this corner. It should be good. We don't want to smush them, so why don't we just stir it? At 12 and 8, so it looks like we're going to get 20 out of the deal. I'll pop those in. We'll give them a minute a muffin. 20 minutes. All right, this is 23 minutes, and I think that they look good and done. And you know what? Even though the batter looked wet, these are coming out nicely, I think. Just let them cool for a few minutes, and then we'll try one. I am enjoying this here, and I was not very patient, and I picked one with lots of blueberries. But it is so wonderful. You guys should taste it, so I pick one and tell me what you think.